How to order in Best Buy. Hello everyone, I am Vishalka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for bestbuy.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to order in Best Buy, you need to have a few items in your cart. So go ahead and scroll through and add a few items on your cart. I already have items on my cart, so I will tap on my cart directly. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, check your cart and the items that you want to go ahead and purchase and tap on the checkout button. You will then be asked to enter your shipping address. So go ahead and enter your shipping address correctly, firstly, as this step is really important. You will then be asked to enter your phone number. Once entered, tap on the Continue to Payment Information button. Now, enter your credit or debit card details, and if you want to pay through some other method, then tap on the Other Payment Options radio button. Once you have selected the payment method, enter the payment details, and if you have any sort of gift card, store credit, or discount code, then go ahead and add it in the text field here. After entering, tap on the Place Your Order button, and with this, your order will be placed. So, this is how you can order in Best Buy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.